Hello guys, in this video I want to talk about VPNs. Honestly guys, I can't really say that I'm using VPNs in past few years, even maybe. First of all, I'm working with RDPs, then if I really need, to hide my IP, doesn't matter if it's IP of my AWS RDP or Azure RDP or even my computer's IP. Like I said, if I need to mask my IP, I would use honestly, like SOC 5, if it's necessary, like I said. And also, guys, you even have a browsers with built-in VPN. Opera browser is one of them. Let me show you. For example, when you type, you can see uh, free VPN browser with built-in VPN, opera.com, right? So like I said guys, this is not the only browser, with built-in VPN. You can definitely use that. For example, I just wanted to show you that first. If you don't want to install Opera, you can definitely use any add-on or plugin, right? For example, you can see for Firefox, I just I want to show you three of them. That there's plenty, guys, literally. I mean, and new VPNs, especially those with add-ons for their browser. uh, new companies are basically appearing all the time. Don't worry about that at all. So one is called Setup VPN. You can see it's lifetime free VPN. uh, then we have ZenMate. Guys, keep in mind all those companies have extensions or add-ons, for both Mozilla and Chrome. Keep that in mind. There's Tuxler also. Let's install ZenMate just to show you, how that works. You will just click. If it's, for example, for Chrome, you will just type um, instead of Mozilla Chrome, and you will see this one is available on Chrome. Like I said, almost all of them available on both Mozilla and Chrome. I will just install, because this is Mozilla Firefox, I will install one uh, just to show you for Mozilla. So this is ZenMate. Click Add to Firefox, click Add, click Allow this extension to run in private window. Not that we're using private window, but why not? I mean, yeah. And you can see, guys, we have this new item here. When you click here, this is quick tool. You can close this, and uh, when you click here it will connect, but first just choose your country, uh, and let's say I want United States, and now it's connecting. Now it's connected. Okay, let's check our IP. Go to this URL or any other checker that you're using, and this is Datacamp Limited. As you can see, our IP is changed. Guys, there are plenty paid VPNs, honestly. Just keep that in mind. When you click here, you can see you even have a 7-day free trial. Then they will unlock services in 74 plus countries. I'll say maybe later. Doesn't matter, guys. You can see now I'm connected. When I click here, protection disabled, I disconnected, like this VPN. And yeah, this is how it works, guys. You can see there's free trial, upgrade to pro, login, support. Yeah, all of them are really similar, guys. If you're using Android, for example, you can install a lot of free VPNs on Android. Keep that in mind also. When we are working with our machines, RDPs, right? Definitely, I would suggest, to install one of those. Like I said, there is this one also, for example, um, and there are plenty more, guys. I wanted to tell you another thing when it comes to VPNs. Like, for example, if you install program for Windows or whatever, exe version, let's say, keep in mind that some of those VPNs will not work on RDPs, right? Keep that in mind. So that is why I don't want to even bother, mentioning some of them that I know, that will not work. Honestly, I'm definitely suggesting that you use those, browser add-ons. It's really simple, it's fast. Uh, as you see, for some of them, like this Zen, uh, mate, you don't even have to register with your email. Some of them will ask for email, don't worry, uh, you can use any email and then you will have your account. Also guys, I tried, like, I'm pretty sure 5+ of them. You can find them easily. Just type, free Mozilla VPN or free Chrome VPN, and you will find them. Like I said, I will definitely create a list, like document file for them. So yeah, mm, there's so many of them. Like I said, or you can even use Opera, for that. Like I said, if you're using VPN or on RDP, I would definitely go with Opera or those browser extensions, because some of the uh, versions, that you install on your Windows, for example, this is Windows machine, will not work because it's RDP. Uh, like I said, guys, for the setup that I'm showing you in this course, honestly, maybe we will use VPN just when we are creating our AWS account, honestly, because if you're using VPN, you don't need to use SOC5, for example, for creating AWS. And if you're using VPN, uh, you will definitely be able to verify your account with just SMS message when it comes to AWS creation, for example. And that is the only example, honestly, that I can think of right now. Maybe if you want just to see, when you go to Google, what results will be, when you type your keyword in, or Bing ads, doesn't matter, guys. If you want to just to see, if you're basically picking the German offer or Canada offer or Australia offer, then you maybe want to use VPN as a quick, solution to see, when you type certain keyword, what are results on Bing or Google search engine. Honestly, guys, that is the only thing that I can think of, why would you use VPN. And you can have many of them at the same time, that's for sure. Not all of them are same, guys. It's up to you to basically to see uh, what is best, for what you need. Honestly, when it comes to Android VPNs, also, guys, there's so many of them. I installed recently 10+ of them. You can definitely just type free, or you can just go to Google Play, guys. There's so many of them. uh, keep in mind, guys, that when it comes to ads, when you click here, for example, they will not give you free options at all. This is fake, don't click on ads. They're basically giving their affiliate links here. Those are not really free VPNs, but you can find them. For example, yeah, this is not an ad. This is a recent, article 23 days ago. Yeah, this is valid. You can definitely see here. Yeah, yeah, I used Proton VPN, definitely. I remember. I used, I just want to tell you from this list, for example, uh, let's see, Winscribe. Yeah, I used Winscribe also. Guys, they're all same, honestly. I mean, they're doing same thing, right? Yeah. Like I said, guys, or you can just go to Google Play and just search free VPN. Thunder VPN I use, uh, VPN Super I use. uh, yeah, I'm just telling you examples, like that I already tried, literally guys, especially for Android, you have plenty of them. And when you click on any, you can see it's free. You can see the reviews. Not all of them will have same countries, guys. Keep that in mind. So if you want to have VPN from specific country, you definitely need to read here. Like to browse through pictures, right? To see what they're offering. And then if you're not sure, install it. Check if your country that you want to see is there. And then yeah, if you're not happy, just uninstall. Some of them are filled with ads and are really annoying, guys. But like I said, some of them are, completely fine. And literally, guys, it's seamless to work with them. Like I said, there's so many of them, so you won't have any issues. For what we are doing here, like I said, use Opera. That browser has built-in VPN. Use ZenMate, for example, Setup VPN, Tuxler, or many more, guys. Uh, like I said, most of them will have versions for both Chrome and Firefox. And like I said, guys, not every exe version, like if you want to install it for Windows, for example, will work on RDP. And that is why I'm suggesting you to use, like I said, those browser add-ons or any browser with built-in VPN. Opera is not the only one, but it's the most popular one. I don't want to complicate this topic. Like I said, guys, honestly, I can't remember the last time that I used VPN, honestly. Even those browser extensions, literally, so yeah, but it's there if you want to use it. Also, guys, there are cracked versions, of software, but like I said, I believe there's no point to give you them because a lot of them are not working on RDPs. And I can definitely give you if you want to use those versions, on your machine, for whatever reason you want to have. But for our setup, like I said, for our burner accounts, yeah, honestly, guys, I never use VPN. When I need to have a quality IP address, then I would use SOC5. And yeah, like I said, some of those companies will give like a month free trial. Some of them will, for example, require you to add a VCC. Some of them will give you, like unlimited free trial. They will just limit the servers that you can connect to. Some of them are giving like 7-day, 3-day free trials. Don't bother with those, I would say. Like I said, because you would need to install them again and again. And yeah, guys, that's it when it comes to VPN. Especially, guys, for the method that I'm teaching here, we really don't need them. And I will just show you example. The only example that I can think of is when you're creating a AWS account. We can then use Opera browser with built-in VPN or any, like browser add-on, extension, whatever, right? And in that case, we will be able to receive our code, our verification for AWS, and we don't need to use a phone call, right? And yeah, that is the only thing, honestly. Also, guys, keep in mind that when it comes to VPNs, you're not really protected. I think it's fair to tell you that. All VPN companies will give your logs, even if they're saying they will not. I need to explain these, guys. All those companies are just spy tools. So your data is sold to everyone, always. Keep that in mind. Everything that you're searching, like if you're not logged out, for example, from your Facebook or any social network, they will continue, to basically monitor whatever you're searching. For example, you can just go to Google and search, for example, for, I don't know, Nike shoes, and then you would notice that in your Facebook account, you will see ads for that, or something similar. So like I said, guys, VPN will not protect you for that. That is why they're giving free things. That is why it's so cheap, or even free, completely free. Guys, that's just the reality. And yeah, just keep that in mind. So you're not completely safe, guys, on the internet, whatever you do. So yeah, definitely use VPN for whatever reason you want. Don't get me wrong. People will still use VPNs anyway. I'm just telling you the truth. So I know that a lot of people think that even if they're using Tor browser, they're protected. No, they're not. This is CIA operation. You need to know that. They're basically playing on both sides all the time. They will pretend that they're hunting. And trying to prevent scam, and at the same time they're the one that are organizing, those things. Just telling you something that I know 100%. I mean, this is not a rumor, guys. You can't be safe on the internet. They're tracking everything. So just telling you that don't do anything crazy just because you're logged into to any VPN, guys. Honestly, just keep that in mind. And I can also tell you that the same applies for any cryptocurrency, guys. Just keep that in mind. Of course, they know who you are, guys. Uh, it's maybe a bit harder for your neighbor or your friend to know what you're doing, but governments and agencies, they know, guys. So we can't really hide. That is why I'm trying to explain. And also, guys, don't feel bad for the things that you're doing, because those people that are watching you are far worse than you. And that's all that I have to say. But I needed to say this because, guys, there are no guarantees in life, and there's no protection. That's all joke. At least at this point. Maybe that will change in God knows how many years. Maybe, like I said, right now, you're not protected. Whatever you're doing, it's recorded. You can't hide really, guys. VPN will not help you at all. And like I said, those people that are watching you are, really bad guys, actually. They're real criminals. So yeah, don't worry. I would say, literally, use VPN or don't use it. It's completely up to you.